welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be fitting these eyebrows for my pre-facelift Ford Fiesta. I got them from Car Mad Stylings on eBay. I think they're £14 plus £4 delivery, so £18 in total, which wasn't bad. So what you need to get started is some double-sided Gorilla Tape or just some double-sided tape. There's multiple ways of fitting them. Some people use silicone, some people use double-sided tape like I am, and there's other methods and stuff, but I'm going for double-sided Gorilla Tape, which I got off of Amazon for I think £8 for a roll. You're gonna need some decent scissors. These are some tough cuts that I borrowed since our other scissors wouldn't do anything. That's all you really need. So first step is to clean underneath the bonnet where they're going to attach to, which I will show you in a second, because these lips go underneath the bonnet and then they need to be clean. So yeah, I'll cut to me cleaning the bonnet once I have gotten this rag wet. I've wet the rag. As you can see, this is how they fit. So there's a little thing that slides down in that gap on both sides, and obviously when the bonnet closes on this little lip here, hence why this needs to be cleaned just underneath here. So I will quickly do that since I can't do it with one hand. I have just cleaned on the inside there with the wet rag, both sides. I just thought it'd be best to also clean where they sit, just so there's no one's going to stop the tape from sticking. And yeah, I'll show you how they fit. So this little lip slides down into there, and then it just sits in place, and then all you do is stick a bit of tape on the back there, slide it in and hold it there like that. It does actually have a protective film on it. This is because they only come in black. Luckily for me, my car is black. But say you have a silver Fiesta or whatever, you'll need to sand this down and paint it the colour you want. But I'll just quickly peel them and then I'll show how to fit them. So I've taken the plastic film off, and now I just need to do the other. Now that I've taken the film off, all I'm going to do is get some of my double-sided tape and then stick it on the back right there so it sticks to the headlight. And obviously I can't do that with one hand, so I will show you once I have put the tape on the back of both of them. There we go, I've put the tape on there. Now what I'm going to do is just slot it into place. Make sure that it is in place where I want it before I actually push it down. And I haven't put no tape on this side, but it does go from about here to here, and that is literally not going anywhere. So now all I'm going to do is repeat for the same side. So that's what the tape looks like. This is a protective film that I need to take off, so I'm just going to quickly take that off, because yeah, again, I can't do it with one hand. I've taken the film off. Now I am just going to set this into place. There we go. That's sat in the right place. Now I'm just going to press down firmly. I'm not bothered if I get marks on it with my hand. Just want to make sure that's on there securely so it doesn't fly off while driving. Now, that is how it should look, and I'll just quickly close the bonnet. And that is what the car looks like with the bonnet closed and the eyebrows on. So if you ask me, it does make a change. That kind of makes it look more aggressive in a way. But the eyebrows that you can get for the facelift headlights look a lot better compared to these, as they look a lot more aggressive. So yeah, while I'm out here, I thought I'd show you my cone air filter intake system, because I get a lot of hate for it, and I just thought I'd clear things up for people who are new or have come from TikTok or wherever. So yeah, it is a really botched job, a lot of zip ties, that's to be expected. The filter and like the pipes come off of a kit off of eBay for £15, I think it was. This tubing didn't come with it. This I got off of Amazon for £15 also, just so I could route it away from the back of the engine, because when I first put it on, it was literally sat here, as you will have seen in the last video. So I routed it further down there for the first time, and then the filter fell off. So I had to go and get a new one from eBay, Harford, sorry, which was £15 again. And I actually drilled some holes through the bottom of the filter. Can't really see it that well. And then zip tied it to the bracket and zip tied the bracket to some other stuff around in the engine bay, as you can see there. So yeah, it's a very botched job, but it's very cheap also. The reason why it's so botched is because I didn't fancy paying over £50 just for some silicone piping that's going to do the exact same thing as this. And some people are going to say, well, the other one is better because it's silicone. This literally does the exact same thing. It sucks in air from here and moves it straight into the throttle body like the other silicone piping would do. Yes, it's longer than the normal piping, like silicone piping, because the silicone piping would go from like here and come underneath here and then come out there. So yes, it's longer, but it still does the exact same thing. So I just thought I'd clear it up. But the reason for all the zip ties is because last time I didn't zip tie anything down, like I said. Not this one in particular, but the same exact filter, the one that came with the kit, fell off and it got crushed. I had to get a new one. So I've zip tied it down bottom of there as well through a drill hole, like on this side. Zip tied it to the bracket, and yeah, the only reason for that is so it doesn't fall off again. But yeah, so that is how to install pre-facelift headlight eyebrows. Like I say, I do think it'll look a lot more better on the facelift headlights. But yeah, I'll leave everything that I used to install these in the description, alongside with my other social links as well. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned because next time I'm going to be changing the number plates to 4D gel ones. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.